currently the production manager of the Hemel Hempstead facilities. We manufacture the Y50 abatement, and we also manufacture Y49 pump frames.
My job is manufacturing engineer at Atlas Copco. I'm currently looking after heat treatment, a process for heat treating steels. I actually started at Atlas Copco as a maintenance engineer, worked my way up into an engineering role, went on to forging engineering, and then moved into heat treatment engineering.
The team are highly involved from start to finish. Everybody has a part to play within the manufacturing of the product, and everybody does their utmost to ensure that we can achieve and hit our daily targets.
There's a big sense of teamwork involved in working in the engineering department. Generally we bounce ideas off each other just to make sure that we're going in the right direction.
There's certainly a lot of opportunities within production. Majority of the time you're going to go in at ground level, and as long as you show the ability, you're willing to learn, you're willing to listen, there's opportunities to move forward into team leaders roles, maybe supervisors roles, and opportunities there to go into management.
My advice to start a career in production would be to go for it. There's a vast amount of roles out there.
Get as much training as you possibly can and grow within the company. Any opportunity that you can get, I would grasp it and move forward and do it.